everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unbagging my Sephora play bag. So it does have the card in here. I will look at that in a second, but here's the bag. It is actually, it feels a little bit more heavy duty than most months, and on the front it says feel the love hashtag Sephora play. And it does kind of look like a Betty Boop character almost. So, alright, so here is the package. It does have all of the products on the inside. And if you've never looked at the back of this, it has a bunch of funny little sayings and stuff on it. So, yeah, take a look at that. And of course, it does have the 50 Sephora Play points. I do have to get to Sephora in the next couple of days because my January one is about to expire and I have not redeemed it yet. So, alrighty then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just stick my hand in and pull something out. The first thing I'm going to try to do is get the perfume sample, and I'm pretty sure this is it. Alright, so this is the Chloe. I'm trying to see if it has a name on it. I don't know. So there's the perfume. I don't typically use the perfumes because I'm very, very sensitive to different smells. So I'm just going to put this in my perfume box. My husband does take those to school. He's a teacher, and he'll take them to school and leave them in like the teacher's lounge or whatever so people can take them. So hopefully they go to a good home. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stick my hand in. I think I'm going to pull this out right here. Okay. So this is from the company Pharmacy, and it is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Go ahead and open that. Ooh, it really doesn't have a smell, but it's green. It has a hint of a smell, but not a lot. Okay. All right. So it feels nice. So here's the package. And like I said, it is a green tint to it. So maybe I'll share this with my sister. She was asking me about the best way to take makeup off. And I did give her another sample, but maybe I'll give her this one too. I don't know. I have the Clinique Take the Day Off product, the oil product, and I have like a full size and a travel size. So I have plenty of this stuff. But let's see what the paper says. It says, it's Melt to Be. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. That's a mouthful. A nourishing oil-based cleansing balm that clears away makeups gently and leaves skin smooth. It says why you'll love it. Washing your makeup off at night shouldn't involve stripping your skin. This super gentle balm features sunflower oil and ginger root to clear away residue while also moisturizing and nurturing. Maybe I will give this a try. How to use: you massage a small scoop into skin to melt product and rinse with water. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and stick our hand in and see what is next. I'm going to pull out the other little pot. Alright, so this is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and I actually do have this. I bought a little kit at Christmas time that had like 4 or 5 Belief skincare products, and this is one of them. So I do like this. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. But here's the packaging, and this is the eye balm, so it is just a little white cream, and I haven't used too much of it yet. I actually took it with me on travel in January, and I liked what I liked it the week that I did use it, but I have another eye balm or eye cream that I've been using recently too, and I'm trying to use up. So yeah, this is not a bad product at all. It's actually really nice. All right. Sticking my hand in, there are 3 items left. Let's go ahead and pull. Oh, I forgot to read the card. So it says, see you later circles. The Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. It's a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eyes. Why you love it, whether you're feeling tired or dehydrated, a few dabs of this botanical infused formula will revive the area around your eyes for a firmer appearance. It's also great prep for makeup application. And how to use: after applying moisturizer, pat a small amount around eye using your ring finger. Okay. All right, now I'm going to pull something out. I'm going to pull this one out right here because I'm pretty sure what this is. So this is the Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Stick Eye Color. So it's an eyeshadow. It does have a sticker on it. I'm going to go ahead and pull that sticker off. All right, I'm going to put a little swatch on my hand. Unfortunately, with this color, I'm not sure how well it's going to show up. So there it is. It's just a crayon. It's actually got quite a bit of product. That's actually pretty good. Make that go down. And it does just come in a little pencil size. And there it is on the back of my hand. It is a nice, pretty gold color. So that's pretty nice. Okay, so on the paper, it says the Rosé Way from Laura Mercier. It's the Caviar Stick Eye Color in Rose Gold. So this is a long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmering pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. Why you'll love it. This easy-to-use eyeshadow stick is perfect for highlighting the corners of your eye and along your brow bones, or adding a hint of color to your lids, just enough to make your eyes sparkle. And it says how to use. Swipe directly onto your eyelids and blend with a finger or trace along the inner corners and along your brow bones. Alrighty. There are 2 items left in here. Let's go ahead and let's pull this one out. Okay, so this is the Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick. Here is the box. And I'm going to go ahead and pull that out. It looks like it's in the color M11 Rebel Chic. It does have a nice like matte black exterior. And mine is not good. It looks like it somehow got rolled up in the package and came out flattened at the top. So I will report that to Sephora. So far, everything that I've reported to companies, they've been really great with getting them replaced really quickly. So I am going to go ahead and try to swatch this. It's not good. It is loose. And it's patchy. I don't know if that's because of the fact that it rolled up or if it's just patchy in general. I've not used this product before, so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. I will send Sephora a message about this and we'll see what they say. I will update you next month. But this is the second product this month that I've gotten broken. I had a shadow in my Ipsy bag, which was broken as well. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe that off the back of my hand because it's not looking very pretty. All right, well, let's go ahead and read about it and see what it was supposed to do. It says a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. And why you'll love it. Looking for an ultra matte lip shade that's also moisturizing and doesn't feel chalky on your lips? We've found it for you. Plus, this berry hue is flattering on every skin tone. How to use? Apply to moisturized lips directly. Blot for longer lasting color. Okay, and there's only 1 item left in here. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. Here is the packaging. Okay, we'll go ahead and get it out of the box. This says it is an SPF 15. I don't know why, because it says it's a lip treatment. So this is from Sugar Rose. From the Fresh Company. Oh, okay, it actually twists off. Okay, so this is a lip balm. I was confused there for a minute because it is tinted. Let's see if it actually has a tint. It does not actually have a tint. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on real quick because I do have a little bit of tint to my lips, but that's a tinted lip balm, so. Okay, it feels nice. And I do like that it actually twists on to help protect it. So that's actually really nice. So it does say it is a tinted lip treatment, but here's the little container. But I do have it on the back of my hand right here. I guess in the camera it looks like it is picking up more than under the lights here just in general, but it is right there on the back of my hand. It is sticky. I'm going to wipe that off the back of my hand. So all right, that is not bad. I don't think I own any fresh products. I'm not sure. Let's see what the package says though. So it says drop a tint. This is from the Fresh Company. It is the Sugar Lip Treatment Sunscreen SPF 15 in Rosé. It's an SPF-infused balm in a subtle rosy tint that protects and conditions lips all day. Why you love it? This balm is a must-have for healthy, supple lips. The sugar acts as a natural humectant to lock moisture in, while jojoba and black currant seed oil nurture and heal. Bonus points, it leaves lips awash in an alluring rosy hue. All right. How to use? Apply a few coats to dry lips throughout the day. So what's funny is it says, "Psst, we've given you 2 lip products this month so you can share one with a friend." But they're 2 different types of products though. One is a lip balm and one is a lipstick. I don't know. So in my bag, I got a damaged lipstick, which I will email them about. The lip balm, which is nice. The makeup cleansing oil, the eye balm, and the eye color. So overall, this isn't horrible. It's not the best Sephora Play box I've ever had. I'm a little bit bummed about the lipstick. Although the other weird thing is that, I mean, this is the Sephora Play bag. It's the Sephora bag. And for them to give us just like a little tiny sample of their own product, when I don't think this is that expensive. Hold on. I'm going to look to see how much a full size of that costs, because that seems kind of weird to give us just a little tiny one. All right, so right now this lip product is, full size is $12.50, and the current price, it's on sale for $7. All right, well, I can't even find this color on the app, so, but it does say that the full size is on sale for $7 right now. So I don't know. That's kind of weird to me that they gave us just a little sample. It's 0.035 ounces, and the full size is 0.13 ounces. So this is like less than half of a full size. So it's kind of just a little weird to me. Okay. Anyway, that is my Sephora Play bag. I'm not blown away by this. It could have definitely been better, but it's okay. Probably the saving graces are the Belief Eye Balm, the Pharmacy Cleansing Oil, which I'm very much looking forward to. That lip balm's not too bad, and I'm looking forward to trying this eyeshadow as well. The lipstick is a little bit of a letdown. A lot of a letdown, actually. So, all right, that is my bag. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Did you get different products in your Sephora Play bag, or did you get a lipstick that wasn't messed up? Like I said, I'm a little bit, I don't know, that even when I did swatch it on my hand, it was kind of patchy. So that one lipstick is... that's really turning me off this month. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!